Why is the United States Department of War facing uncertainty after the House's NDAA decision? This surprising move could reshape how America organizes its military leadership and funding. The United States Department of War was officially replaced by the Department of Defense after World War II to unify military branches under one agency. However, some older laws and references still mention the Department of War. The House's recent NDAA decision has raised questions because it touches on outdated terminology, sparking confusion about which departments receive authority and funding. This uncertainty matters because the NDAA outlines military budgets and policy every year, impacting national security. The House's National Defense Authorization Act included language that some interpret as reviving or referencing the Department of War, which conflicts with current legal structures. This causes uncertainty about the chain of command and budget authority. Lawmakers and defense officials worry this could delay funding approvals or complicate military operations. It's a rare situation where old terminology in a new law causes real strategic confusion. Because the NDAA is crucial for military funding, any ambiguity about which department it applies to can create political standoffs. Legal experts warn that the House's wording could trigger lawsuits or require additional legislation to clarify authority. This uncertainty affects not just budgeting, but also how the military executes orders, potentially impacting national defense readiness. The House's NDAA decision has unexpectedly stirred up confusion by referencing the Department of War, an old term with big implications today. This mix-up could affect military budgets and leadership clarity. Stay tuned as lawmakers work to clear things up. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.